Governor of Kisii County, Your Excellency the Deputy Governor, or a protocol observed. Habari zenu. I think Your Excellency today, it is a good day for the Kisii County because after 12 years, this is the first time you have come to lay the stones for the foundation of the county headquarters. And we have gone to various counties, Your Excellency, and we have witnessed the kind of headquarters which are existing in those counties. Your Excellency, as a person, as the Speaker of Kisii County, let me take this opportunity to congratulate you for that good work. Your Excellency, I don't want to take a lot of your time. Because today is a day we have just come to witness what is happening. But allow me, Your Excellency, to say one word. As the Assembly, we are the people to Nabitisa budget. We will ensure that we have supported you in all your projects you will be proposing, as long as they are bringing value addition to the people of Kisii. Because this is what people want to see. And you know, Your Excellency, you have gone a step ahead as the party leader of ODM now, and a party which is going to produce the president of the Africa for the first time in the Republic of Kenya. Sio ni makofi. Because nilikuona jana, Your Excellency, mukisupport your party leader. Now, we are happy as a county of Kisii. But nevertheless, Your Excellency, sisi kama Assembly, tumekubaliana sisi sote, vile leadership imesema hapa, the Committee of Implementation, they are going to follow all of the projects in the county so that they can be bringing the report to the Assembly. Because we as the people who pass the budget, our work is to say that resources ya wananchi imefanyiwa kazi. So Your Excellency, hiyo kazi ingine ya Assembly tuachie, vile the chair, vice chair, Lords amesema. Your Excellency, wakati Assembly tuko pamoja. We are together and we have agreed that we must support your cause and ensure that you have achieved for the people of Kisii. Sio ni mzuri? Otherwise, Your Excellency, I don't want to take a lot of time. At this time, allow me, with humility, nimuite the deputy.
Before I say a word, allow me to welcome our CCM for lands to come and introduce the visitor with whom she came to this ground. Karibu, Waziri.
Your Excellency and all protocols observed. My name is Grace Nyarango, CC Lands Fiscal Planning, Housing and Urban Development. I'm saying this because of the visitor who is with us, so that you see the connection. With me, we are privileged to have our visitor from Food Agriculture.